What's going on, y'all? Been a while since I made a video. Been lacking on that, but figured I had to do a quick unboxing. I got a special package from North Carolina. Priority mail, 3 days. Shout out to the man, HVAC Shop Talk. Zach sent me a surprise. Bickety bam. Some genuine knockoff Milwaukee batteries. I'm gonna try them out, see how well they work. I've got I don't know what brand what they sell under, Bannon. See, I've seen some of these on Amazon, and I think the M12, they make the M12 also. And I have actually, this summer, I got some of the Lazica, L-A-S-I-C-A, Lazica or whatever, M12 batteries that are the not official Milwaukee, but they're, compatible. And those Lazica M12 batteries have worked great. So I have to try these Vannon ones out, because I've seen that brand on Amazon before, which, to be quite honest, I think what they do with these things is the same factory where they're cranking these things out in Taiwan or China. Yeah, China. They probably sit there, Milwaukee says, make us 100,000 of these batteries. That's their order. They place the $100,000, 100,000 battery order. Machines sit there and crank them out, ka-choom, 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 and then they got one little thing that goes M18 or Milwaukee on there, and they just take that little plate off there that puts the Milwaukee on there, and they crank out another 10,000 that just, and then make them say Bannon on there. It's probably the exact same thing. The rubberized base looks the same. Let's see if they come charged. This one's about half. This one shows 3/4. Yeah, 3/4 and half. So go ahead and pop this bad boy on the charger. But let's see. Yeah, there we go. See if it likes it or not. Let's see. There we go. We're charging. Good deal. But yeah, so instead of using these on my drill or my Sawzall, I think the best way to review these, I'm gonna let my mom, because she has a 9 amp hour battery that has gotten weak on her. Is only she's getting about half the usage out of it that she used to when it was brand new. So she's gonna use these to run her weed eater, and that'll be, I think, the real test to see how well these things work. So I'm gonna use, Zach wanted us to take these and then do a video using them to see how well they perform compared to the other batteries. So I have a 5.0 and a 6.0 that I let her borrow, and I'm going to go take her these tomorrow, and then this week she's going to try using these things to run that weed eater, and then see what the basically give them a torture test, because that weed eater really, it goes through the batteries pretty decently, but because it comes with a 9.0, so hell, a 6.0 or whatever will really put it through its paces and see what it does, and we'll give you some feedback, guys. Stay tuned.